Hello, try substituting for some fresh spinach for that iceberg lettuce. Add a little bit of tomatoes, some onions, some pickles, some hot peppers, some olives, some fresh mushrooms, whatever you like. Let's do the healthy thing. I hope you enjoy my tip. 100% beef patty, Dollar Tree, $1.25. Listen, it's all about the health now. I hope you enjoyed my tip. Have a good day, everybody. Please follow, subscribe my channel. I am DM Hill, and we are here to provide entertainment, great food tips, some great tips on some passive income, and an abundance of great entertainment. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I am DM Hill. Everybody have a good day. Thank you. And until we talk again.